Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add title page on your videos using Clipchamp. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, find the Clipchamp app on your home screen. Now open it. Now tap onto the new video option right here. To add the title page, first of all, you need to add a photo instead of the video. Now choose one. Now the title page has been added to your video, at first like this. Now tap onto text and add any text that you want to add to your first page, just like this. After typing the text, simply tap onto the check mark. Now you can also change the color and the fonts of the title page. Finally, you can add other videos to your title page. Tap onto the plus sign button and add the video that you want to add. And that's it. This is how you can add title page on your videos using Clipchamp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.